Hi, this is Jason Fielder with the Daily Forex Report for April 27th. We are looking at the U.S. Japanese yen pair. This particular pair gapped down on the open, did retrace the gap. However, it formed a doji bar at the close and is heading to the downside. We definitely are moving lower. The bias is definitely to the downside as well. We are currently looking for this pair to move potentially as high as 97.83, possibly as low as 95.62. Look for some resistance around 97.09, and look for some support around 95.95. Switching to the Euro USD pair, this particular pair moved much lower today, very quick. We are looking for this pair to continue moving sideways with a bias that is sideways currently. We are looking for it to move potentially as high as 133.69, possibly as low as 128.88. Look for some resistance if it moves higher around the 130.89 area. Look for some support around 129.78. Let's take a look at the pound US dollar pair. This pair is continuing to move sideways. I believe the bias could be to the downside, but currently we're just moving sideways. So until we get a good breakout, a close above this level or this level, we're just moving sideways. We are looking for this pair though to move potentially as high as 148.33, possibly as low as 143.62. Look for some resistance around 147.19 and look for some support around 145.00. Now looking at the US Swiss, this pair moved much higher today. It is also moving sideways, bias sideways currently. We are looking for it to move possibly as high as 116.97 and as low as 112.59. Look for some resistance though as it moves higher at 116.03. If it happens to move lower, look for some support around 115.25 in this particular pair. Now, no real news announcements for tomorrow as far as, no significant news, I should say, that's being released tomorrow. Looking at a trade in the pound Swiss, this is a swing trade that was formed over this last session. And we're looking basically for a buy at 169.50. Looking to exit this particular trade at 170.53. Basically, if it moves higher, we'll be buying here and selling up here. That's a potential for a 103 pip move. Make sure to use a 100 pip stop loss for this particular trade. Well, that about does it for today. Until next time, this is Jason Fielder. Good trading.